Hey folks, just a quick video here. I'm going to show you how to upgrade the hard drive in your MacBook Pro. So this is one of the very earliest models of the MacBook Pro. It's a mid-2008 model, A1278. In this design they had a split back case. So by pulling this lever you're able to remove the lower part of the case. Later on they changed it to a full back. So in order to remove that, you'd simply remove the screws around their edge and it would all pop off. So we can see here now we have our battery and our hard drive. So we're going to pull up on the wee plastic tab to lift out our battery. To remove the hard drive, we simply have to remove the small Phillips head screw. And the plastic retainer. Then we can lift our hard drive out and take off the SATA and power cable. If we compare our new hard drive up against the old hard drive, we can see there's one little difference, and that is the 4 locating screws that are in the corners. So we'll need to remove these and put them onto the new hard drive. They are a little T6 screw, and we will need to remove the 4 of these. And they go into the corresponding places on the new hard drive. So we're going to do that for all 4. So we now have our 4 pins in. We're going to reattach the cable. And we're going to slide the hard drive into its 2 mounting holes and then push it down. I'm going to take our plastic retainer and screw it into place. Back in goes the battery and the back cover. And we are all done.